everybody. This is not hiking. We're gonna shoot right now. A .223 rifle. It's another little hobby of mine I like to do is shooting. Although I haven't done it in a long time, other than heroin. I built the computer, I don't know, like 6 to 9 months ago, and it exploded on me. And I found out from my friend what happened was the power supply blew up and literally destroyed my computer. So guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna blow it up right now with my .223. Don't ever buy an EVGA because it literally exploded and actually sent a lightning bolt out of this thing from my case to the ceiling. It was kind of crazy. So then it obviously destroyed the computer. I don't know if it destroyed everything, but we're definitely going to destroy you. We're going to see what happens with a .223 rifle. See if it'll go all the way through. Obviously, it probably will. Hey! We're going to do it from about this far away. My car's up there in this little Bing. So this is the type of the gun I have. It's a Savage. I don't remember what model it is. Up to the crappy power supply. There it is. It was a perfect shot, exactly where I had the crosshairs, and it trashed it up like the trash it is. So we're gonna go ahead and reinstall this in my computer and see what happens. Camera's on, close up. I'm gonna go take a poop real quick, probably eat some donuts, shave my face, and I'll be right back, okay? And then I'll shoot this thing. So if the camera's on for like an hour or so, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Okay, here we go. I accidentally shot the camera tripod. For some reason, I got confused. Hey everyone, this is the 17. That was not the 17. And that is a hit right there. Look like this. Yeah. Ah! What's wrong with my pants? Short of material at the seam. So, you know. That's what happens. Ooh, look. That's a trail. Let's go hike it. Yeah, yeah. And see what happens. It's a beautiful winter day. Oh, crap. We got the cops. Yeah. Here we go. Anyway, so we see the .223. Let's blow this thing up. Went through it. Hit it every single time. And it's trashed. When you order this off the internet, the EVGA 850 watts, this is exactly what you're gonna get. They're gonna ship it to you and it's gonna look just like this. If you wanna install it in your computer, that's up to you. I did and it exploded. If you like the shooting videos, let me know in the comments. And if you like that sound I did up there, especially let me know that. And I will see you on the next video. Oh, whoa.